I go the last couple of lines. Oh, let me just show you this right here. Boom. Here it is. The rapid review, ladies and gentlemen. If I had to take the test now in this time frame of life, in this season, this year, next year, I would be reading the first aid rapid review every single day of my career studying for STEP. Most of you don't because you're lazy, and that's cool. I'm going to call you out because it's tough love, but the answers are in front of you. So what I tell people and the students that do pass and they score very well and score very high, I tell them and they literally read first aid every day. Now, don't misunderstand me. First aid's a lot of paperwork, right? A lot of pages. I want you to go to the rapid review. It's about 35 to 40 pages, right? Yeah. I read them twice a day because I'm like, if I can do it, you can do it. But I know most of you don't because it's a lot to do. I get it. But if you can do this for me from today and say, okay, if there's 35 pages in the back of the stupid book, which you all have purchased or bought online, you read 5 pages a day. You're not reading them to memorize them. You're just reading the pages. You're scanning them. And by scanning them, you do 5 pages a day. In 7 days, 35 pages are done. What do you do on the eighth day? Go back to the first page again. The point what I'm trying to make is most of you are using Anki. Most of you don't review. I'm not saying you here in this group. I'm just saying you in general because this video is watched by so many students when they're not here because many of them are in school right now. So I'm tough loving you guys because I care for you all. You have to review every day, no matter what. And I realized, how can I help my students pass in a short time frame? Simple. If you have 35 pages, spend 30 minutes and just scan the pages. Just like read. For example, look at this. On page 725, which is whatever, X amount of pages at the end of the book, you go look at it and you say, well, you know what? In upper motor neuron damage, we have hyperreflexia, hypertonia, Babinski sign. Do you think they're going to put that in the question? 1,000%. 100, they have to. They have not 100, 1,000%. They have to present to you some symptoms so you know, well, this, and this has been presented. Clearly, the person has upper motor neuron damage. And then by the opposite, lower motor neuron, we have hyporeflexia, hypotonia, atrophy, and fasciculations. You know how many times I've seen students seeing this word fasciculations? Never knew what it was. And because of that, they thought maybe it was upper motor neuron. So what I'm trying to say, besides doing the questions, besides reviewing the questions, besides understanding, one is up, one is down, they have to present me something every single day. What I would do is say, okay, I have some time. 5 pages in the morning, 5 pages in the evening. You do 10 pages a day. In 3.5 days, you've covered 35 pages. And then you just keep doing it over and over and over again to a point where, and then when I say reviewing it, all you have to do is literally do this. Ready? You see hyperphagia, hypersexuality, hyporality. Oh, okay, Kluver-Bucy, I remember that. But it's also called bilateral amygdala lesion, and there's an association with HSV encephalitis. And next line. I know you all can do that. You can get the PDF on your phone, on your iPad. And whether you're having a bad day, you're working all day, you're exhausted from work, kids, hospital, life, you can still spend an hour, half hour, and half hour in the morning and the evening reviewing this.